Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss the introductory part of community health nursing. What is community health and what is the definition of community health nursing? This class is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture, or you can directly visit to my channel, my student support system. Before starting to study about community health nursing, we should know what is community. Community is defined as a social group of any size whose members reside in a specific locality or defined geographical area, share common characteristics or interests, and often have a common cultural and historical heritage. Community is a group of interacting population of various kinds of individuals in a common location. The size of community is not defined. It means the size may be small or large. But the main thing is common interest and a defined geographical area in which they are staying or living. Now, health. According to WHO, health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being and not merely absence of any disease or infirmity. Health is a dynamic process and range from optimum health or good health to death. So it ranges. Now we come to what is community health. Community health focuses on the physical and mental well-being of the people living in a specific geographical area. This is important subsection of public health which includes initiatives to help community members to maintain and improve their health, prevent spread of infections, diseases and prepare for natural disasters. If they happen, we mitigate to reduce the impact of disasters. And now we come to what is nursing. Nursing is autonomous and collaborative care of the individual of all ages, families, groups, and communities, sick or well, and in all settings. Nursing includes the promotion of health, prevention of illness, and the care of ill, disabled, and dying people. Now we come to community health nursing. Now we are clear about what is community, what is health, what is nursing. So we can easily understand what is community health nursing. Community nursing service or public health nursing is a branch of nursing which cares outside the hospital. In this field, services are commonly based on community based and primarily they are preventive and promotive in nature. These services are provided by ANMs, lady health visitors, public health nurses, public health nursing officers and community health officers. American Nurses Association defines community health nursing as the practice of promoting and protecting the health of populations using knowledge from nursing, social, and public health science. What are the objectives of community health nursing? And sometimes the question may arise that what are the components of community health nursing? So both are same. Here both are same. So what are those? These are the primary purpose of community health nursing is to assess the health needs of individual, family and community and to provide comprehensive nursing service in order to help them to attain, maintain and regain the high level of wellness and to prevent illness. Other goals or objectives may include health promotion. Promotion of health is recognized as one of the most important goals of public health or community health nursing. Health promotion includes all efforts that seek to move the people closer to the optimal well-being or higher level of wellness. Health promotion programs and activities includes many forms of health education. For example, teaching the dangers of drug abuse, demonstrating healthful practice such as regular exercises and taking healthy diet. Next is prevention of illness. Prevention of health problems constitutes a major part of community nursing practice. Prevention means anticipating and averting the problems. It is practiced on the levels of prevention in community, such as primordial prevention, primary prevention, secondary prevention, and tertiary prevention. About these prevention, we will study in another lecture, that is levels of prevention. This is another big topic. Health maintenance. Maintenance of health involves continuous assessment of individual, family, and community to ensure that they continue to function at same level of health. Community health nurse ensures that family and community works towards the maintenance of their own health. Restoration of health. Community health nursing aims at returning to the optimum state of health and functioning. Community health nurse ensures that the individual cope with the health and illness situation and return to the original state of functioning as soon as possible. Family and community also help him to in this process. Now we come to the principles of community health nursing. The principle on the main are the points on which the community health nursing is based. First is community health nursing is based on recognized needs of the community or community need assessment. Means all the service which we provide are based on the need of the community. Means need based services are there. Second is community health nursing service are available to the entire community regardless of age, sex, class, caste or political affiliation. Means all the community health services are provided equal to all. No discrimination is done. Community health nursing considers the family as a unit of service. Its level of functioning is influenced by the degree to which it can deal with its own problem. Means in community health nursing, we treat the family as a unit because if every member affects the health of another member because their coping mechanism, understanding all affects the health. Next is respect for values, customs and belief of the client contribute to the effectiveness of care to the client. If we respect the culture or the beliefs of an individual, he will be ready to accept us, to listen us. So we should take care of this. Next is community health nursing, integrated health education and counseling as vital tool to improve the people's health and prevention of illness. Normally in community health nursing service, we deal with healthy people and we just promote and prevent the illnesses. And so here our main tool is health education and counseling. Next is collaborative work relationship with co-workers and the members of health team facilitate accomplishment of goal of community health nursing. In the community we work as a health team and every member is important, collaboration is important, and if better communication and coordination is there in among the health team members, better will be the services. Recipients of health care should participate in planning of the health services of their own health which is also known as community participation. We should take active participation from the community. Periodic and continuing evaluation provides the mean for assessing the degree to which the community health nursing goals and objectives are attained. So, community continuous assessment, this is an ongoing process during services. Next is utilization of indigenous and existing community resources, maximizing the success of the efforts of the community health nurses. So when we are going in the community, in the houses and during the home visits, we should improvise, we should take the help from the resources which are in the community, because we cannot take all the articles, all the hospital services to the home, but we can manage from the available resources in the community. Next is supervision of nursing service by qualified community health nursing personnel provide guidance and direction to the work to be done. So every services needs better supervision. This also involves in the community health nursing. Now continuing staff education, quality service to the client, and are essential to upgrade and maintain sound nursing practices in their setting. So it is true for every field. Continuing education will upgrade our knowledge and skills to provide better services to the community. And last is accurate recording and reporting serve as basis for evaluation of the progress of planned program and activities as a guide for the future action. So whatever services we are going to provide, we should maintain a record, and proper and accurate recording should be there. Thank you students for watching this video. For such lectures, you can subscribe to my channel, My Student Support System, like Facebook page of My Student Support System. And for making your notes, just visit to the blog mynursingstudents.blogspot.com. And for latest update, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice